Sorry, clarify ko lang kasi sabi niyo po na-calendar po yung 3 complaints. Nasa OB po siya. Order of business.
Within 10 session days.
Kasi ma'am, naalala ko lang, kaya ako lang may tatanong. Kasi nung February 3, na-interview po namin si SecGen at ang sabi niya, ito po yung quota, it's still with me but we have to act on it this week. We will act on this week, itong week ito ang deadline. Ibig sabihin, nasa kanya pa po yung 3. Ang hinihintay niya po kasi nun, yung pang-4 po na complaint. Ibig sabihin po ba, between February 3 to February 5, naibigay siya kay speaker and then si speaker pinakalendar po agad.
Let me review my notes on the schedule kasi wala pa ako niyan during that time, no. Ang naalala ko na they were acted upon on within the 10 session day requirement by the Constitution, which all were on February 5.
So ibig sabihin po, February 3 kasi nakausap namin si SecGen, nasa kanya pa raw po yung 3. And then February 4 po na ipasa kay speaker. Kasi
I can only speak based on records.
Apo.
Yun lang yung pwede kong i-discuss eh. Technically, kung yung mga naging statements po ni SecGen, I understand meron mga naging previous interviews, but I can only speak based on records.
In the record show, ma'am, that
all impeachment complaints were compliant with the Constitution and the internal rules and regulations.